Every stone we shapes impact the future we build.
At Hailstone Innovations, we believe infrastructure development should be powered by efficiency, responsibility and sustainable thinking.
Every ecosystem we protect today creates a stronger tomorrow for generations to come.
Because every project we support today will contribute to a greener tomorrow.
Our planet, more than a resource, it is our responsibility.
By continuously improving the efficiency of our machines and reducing usage of natural resources, we strive to create a positive impact on our environment.
Let us build responsibility, innovate sustainability and protect the world we share. A happy Environmental Day from Hailstone Innovations.